Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how you can make a fancy napkin fold using the napkin ring. Take the napkin in the middle and hold it in your hand to form some pleats. Then insert it into the napkin ring. Place it on the plate and straighten out the pleats. Isn't it looking just gorgeous? Easy to do and very elegant. I want to show you how you can make a towel shirt and necktie. Take one hand towel and one washcloth. The hand towel will be for the shirt and the washcloth will be for the necktie. Fold it just the way as I am doing in the video. Now watch closely. Now take the washcloth to make the necktie. Fold it exactly as I am doing in the video. Place the folded washcloth on top of the hand towel and stick the pointy part in between the folds, like this, as I am doing. Now, can you see what it looks like? Now pull out the edges that were folded under and shape it into sleeves. Then, the top part you will shape into the color of the shirt. Now, ain't this a cute shirt and tie? I will show you how to make a stingray with one towel. Pay attention to what I am doing. Fold over 1/3 of the towel towards the middle. Then fold one end with the point of a triangle. Then roll both sides towards the middle. You can also use two towels to make the stingray. To see how to make the stingray with two towels, click on the link listed in the description box down below. For this bathroom towel idea, I am mixing and matching. I am using one bath towel, one hand towel, and two washcloths. Fold the bath towel just the way as I am folding it. The hand towel will be folded in the same way. In this design, I am using two washcloths. One washcloth I will fold into pleats, and the other one I will fold into a triangle and then tie it around all the towels, including the one that I folded into pleats. The second washcloth, I will fold it in a triangle and I will fold the widest part of the triangle over, about 2 inches wide. Then I will use this triangle to tie up the other towels on the rack. A pin can also be used to pin the towel in place at the back. You can also use some ties that you have. If you have pipe cleaner, you can use pipe cleaner to tie it up at the back so it stays secure. I have the towel on a flat surface and I will fold it in half. Then I will fold it in thirds, both ends towards the middle. Then I will fold it in thirds again. I will take the sewn edge of the towel and fold it towards the middle 1/3 of the way, and then I will take the other end and fold it up like this. And here you have a very nicely folded bath towel.